Hi everyone. In this video we will be using help function. It's very important function. So you can know what are the modules available in the MicroPython. Because MicroPython 4 Pico board and the MicroPython 4 ESP866 or ESP32 dot or suppose you spy both the modules inbuilt modules available will be different. Let's start. The syntax is help and you have to call modules inside this for the first time use in the single or in the double. You have to say that modules now end up. You can see all the available modules in the Pico module or Pico port. You can see there is a thread function. Then there is a module called machine. That is very important. OS module, UJS and lot of modules available. But compared to ESP32, the number of modules are less. Now we can check one of the module and what are the functions available inside the module. First you have to import the module which you want to see. I'm going to import the module called machine. This is the command to import machine module. Now the module of the machine has been imported. Now you can check what are the functions available inside the machine command saying help if you imported any of the modules. You don't need to put in the codes. You have to just type the module which you wanted to know its details. You can see the functions available with the module called the machines are. These can have a reset pool, loader, frequency, idle, light, and mostly we will be discussing about something called the ADC ITWC then SPA. PWM pin, then USAT, then watchdog timer. Let's start with something called thread. I wanted to know what are the modules in the thread. First you have to import the module and the module has been imported right now. Then use the help command. So under the thread these are the functions available. Can see over here. It's very important here to start new thread. This is the one mostly we use. See on the next video. Thank you. Subscribe our channel for more videos.